Welcome back, Summoners. As I hinted at, today I have an exclusive sneak preview of the future post-game report that LoLwiz is currently working on. You can only get this information here, so stick around. This update is set to release towards the end of July, at which time I will have another update, but for now, do that whole YouTube thing and check out what LoLwiz will have to offer next month. LoLwiz is once again stepping its game up to play with the big dogs. Just look at this screenshot. I feel like Hedonism bought at the opera when I look at this.
Jumbie, the chocolate icing. Oh my, yes.
I have been waiting to use that clip for so long. So, check out the top banner here. It shows the different champions in the game as well as their rank and KDA. I have no idea what the dates are on this. I look forward to learning more about it when the update is released next month. It also looks like there is some sort of match ranking system, the same way that Mobalytics ranks each player from 1 to 10. That is just the top banner. On the left, it looks like there's an update to the current video clip selection. I really like the screenshots here. You can tell when one clip's at Dragon Pit or in the top lane. I think this will be really nice for going back and checking out how you absolutely choked that 1v1. It also says what each clip is about, whether it's a kill, death, or assist. And as an added bonus, you can see the times when each moment occurred and the length of each clip. All of this information is tight, compact, just in the format that LoLwiz likes to use. Now, onto the middle. You can see the giant images of each champion, right? Look at that format. You can easily see top ratings for the match, given the information. Set is practically slapping me in the face with his MVP. You can see some other stats like most gold, best KDA, most damage, highest CS. Talk about a step up from those tiny ass badges that you can see in last week's video. I'm curious to see if these 5 rankings will change or be the same every time. Personally, I think most deaths should be up there with a tombstone image or something like that, just because I think it's funny, but then again, there's a reason that I make videos about these apps and that I don't design them. Now, if we can tear our eyes away from Set's absolutely chiseled torso, we can see the trainer part of the LoLwiz in full swing. LoLwiz is now listing your accomplishments in green, and LoLwiz will also give you a list of the things that need attention in red, such as your subpar damage deterrence, and of course your vision score being under 50 in a 20-minute game. Beneath these accomplishments, there is a damage dealt bar graph that appears to compare your team to the opposing laners. If I were to bet, I would bet a full deck gaming hoodie, check out our non-existent merch store, that there is something else under the needs attention list. I would bet that there's something like damage taken in a bar graph, as well as some other type of common metric. Professor is not really in danger of losing its monopoly on the charts, but it is great to see how much extra information LoLwiz is bringing to the table.
But wait! There's more!
I am going to make another safe bet and say that by clicking Open Timeline Player, it will bring you to this interface. Check this out. You can see a full timeline of the events in the game for your champion. Click on one and a clip pops up. It looks like there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with this clip. There's a zoom, a speed adjustment, and you can do all kinds of other things for each individual clip. Also, you can instantly post to Discord or Twitter. Obviously, there's a full screen mode and an autoplay feature, so you can watch all of your clips back to back and not only review your clips, but learn from them as well. The upgrade from the current interface is like night and day. There's so much coming in this update, and I cannot wait for it to drop. If you haven't already, go over to Overwolf and check out LoLwiz. This app is pretty special and does a lot of unique things. I will see you on the next one.